Hi, my name is Christine, and now we are going to go through the process of sewing. And now that we have already gotten our pieces together. We have everything. We have the block method, we have the pockets, and we have the PUL. So now our next step is step 1, where we have this and everything. We get the center of everything. We get the center of the block method, we get the center of the pocket, and we get the center of everything. So our second step is making sure that the pocket is there, the PV is there, and we pin it. We get the center and we pin it. That is our second step that we take on the sewing machine.
So you will sew a 1/4 inch from the outside.
So now that Nelson has already sewn, I'll take my scissors and I'll cut it out nicely. I'll cut it out nicely, and then after cutting out, I have my fourth step. Now it has already been sewn, it has already cut. Now I have to make sure that I use my fingers to turn. So I'll separate the PUL and the first material and the pocket, and then I'll put my finger like that and make sure I turn the corners. I'll turn the corner using my finger like that. So now I have my fifth step. I have my fifth step that has already been sewn. So it's like that. It is like that, and you can see the corners are nicely done. And then I'll go, Nelson, kindly sew the sides. So now the corners have already been, the pocket has already been sewn a 1/4 inch. So I'll make sure that I turn it nicely using my finger like that to get the corners nicely, and then I'll turn it on one side like that. So now it looks good. So I'll, Nelson, kindly do the sewing.
So you will top stitch an 1/8 inch, back stitching at each pocket, here, 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 and here. So back stitch at each pocket.
So now I'll get my shield, and then I'll check this my 7th step. And the best thing I have to do, I have to check if the back stitch can be seen from the back. It has to be seen, because that is what I'm looking for. So you have to make sure there's that back stitch, there's that back stitch, and then your finishing has to be really nice. Like if you check closely, it has to be really, really nice. And then you'll check the measurements before Nelson does the, you have to check it. So thank you so much.